Meanwhile, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju in the Rajya Sabha said that electoral reforms need discussion, but first, Vande Mataram should be addressed, urging no strict timeline for a debate on reforms. TMC MP Derek O'Brien has stressed on the urgency to discuss the Special Intensive Revision or SIR, pointing to booth-level officers losing their lives. Congress Party leader Mallikarjun Kharge has called for a discussion on SIR under Section 267, adding that Vande Mataram can be taken up any time. This means that even as the government and the opposition have shown willingness to discuss electoral reforms in the winter session of the parliament, the deadlock over prioritizing issues and timelines still continues. This development comes after news came in that the government and opposition have reached an understanding on electoral reforms. The government is prepared to hold a full discussion on electoral reforms, a key demand that has seen intense back and forth over the last few days.
Put timeline condition on anything. Now I have दोरा जी आपका आवाज बहुत ज्यादा जोर है Sir, my only limited request is that I'm going to engage with the leader of oppositions from different political parties. It may be formally, informally, but ultimately it will come to you, sir, formally once we start the process of some consultation. Now the problem starts. Problem begins when you start questioning the time. Everything cannot be mechanical. In parliamentary democracy, we have to engage in dialogue. We have to engage in discussion. There are many issues in the country. You should not undermine one issue and take up another issue. All the issues are important. All the issues are important. Government, ये देखिए सर, आप चुनाव नहीं जीत पाते हैं, जनता आपको विश्वास नहीं करते हैं, और आप जो है गुस्सा या सदन में निकालते हो, ये तो बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं है। लोकतंत्र में चुनाव का प्लेटफॉर्म जनता का बीच होता है। ये कल भी हमने रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि यह बिजनेस तैयार किया गया है, हम लोग चर्चा के लिए तैयार है, लेकिन एक बात तो हम लोग औपचारिक मिलना तो चाहिए। ये टाइम बताते कि अभी बताओ कब से होगा, ऐसा कोई तरीका नहीं होता है।
We have our correspondent Sabyasachi joining us live on the broadcast for more. Sabyasachi, there is this deadlock that is brewing, and it's not about what should be discussed, but it's about when what should be discussed. Government insisting that Vande Mataram should be discussed first. The opposition insisting that it should be SIR to be taken first. But in the meanwhile, you have the Sanchar Sathi controversy threatening to intrude again.
Well, that's right. There is both the central government as well as the opposition has reached on the understanding that yes, there's going to be a discussion as far as the polling reforms or the discussion on the voter list is concerned. But the major question arises when. Now, the central government is very much clear that they will only have the discussion after having a discussion on the Vande Mataram, which has been listed before. Now, the opposition party says that adjournment motion after adjournment motions they have been giving both in Rajya Sabha and in Lok Sabha, and they want that the discussion on the polling reforms and the voter list should take place tomorrow and day after tomorrow, that is on Wednesday and Thursday. Now, the opposition parties earlier in the day have met with the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, and the opposition party says that okay, you need to come to the House at around 2 p.m. and tell the House that you are going to have a discussion on Wednesday and Thursday on polling reforms and the voter list. Now, the government is of the view that the opposition can't decide as far as the timeline is concerned. Yes, the government has given the green signal that there would be discussion on the polling reforms, but when it will be discussed, it is up to the government, and the government will definitely give a timeline. Now the meeting has begun with the Lok Sabha Speaker and the floor leaders of different political parties to break the deadlock, because time and again sessions after sessions are getting washed out because of the continuous protest from the opposition side. Meanwhile, the opposition have shown certain amount of flexibility. Now the opposition says that we have given an option at the Business Advisory Committee meeting to the central government, that if the central government does not want to include the title SIR, then it can be removed, and a discussion can take place on the polling reform or on the voter list as a wider picture. Now the opposition says that the issue of BLOs, the addition and the deletion of voter list and other issues related to polls, it can be discussed under the polling reforms. The opposition say that the major question arises here is not the timeline, but the trust deficit that we have towards the central government, because the government time and again has been not keeping the promises that they have been making to the opposition parties. Now all eyes will be on the Business Advisory Committee meeting that is going to take place today. In this particular meeting, most likely the centre is going to give the timeline to the opposition, and most likely after the discussion takes place on Vande Bharat, Vande Mataram, after that the discussion will take place on the polling reform and the voter list.